With a spoon. Big bite. Big bite. Big bite. It's falling.
What's happened?
Not on your belly. Put it in your mouth, Tanner. Tanner. Let's not put it on your belly. Let's not put it on our fat belly. Let's put it in our mouth. No. No.
Make an airplane into your mouth.
There we go. Okay, now you can put it in your mouth. Got it all picked up.
I don't ever let him do this at home.
That's why he likes coming to Grandma's.
Well, I have carpet. I don't have
Okay.
tile.
Put a towel
All right,
down.
signing off. Goodbye. Enjoy your yogurt.